In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use for Miro. We'll build a clear, actionable workflow in Miro from a blank board all the way to a reusable template so you can plan, execute, and collaborate with confidence. Start by opening Miro and creating a new board. Give it a purposeful name, like Content Workflow or Client Process. This board is your workspace, the place where every step of your process will live, so a clear title helps you and your team recognize it at a glance. Before adding anything else, define the single workflow you're mapping. Ask yourself, what process am I building right now? Keep it focused on one, such as a YouTube content workflow, a client onboarding sequence, or a social media posting routine. Narrowing the scope keeps your board clean and your outcomes more consistent. Now lay out the structure with shapes. Use circles to mark the start and end. Use rectangles for action-oriented tasks. Use diamonds whenever a yes or no decision branches the flow. Keep step names short and clear, like write script or review draft. For example, you might sketch, start, idea, script, film, edit, upload, end. Once your steps are on the canvas, connect them with arrows to show direction. This is what turns a list into a flowchart. Make sure arrows point forward and that decision diamonds lead to the right next steps. If a path loops back, be deliberate about why, so the flow doesn't become confusing. Click each shape and add the details people need to execute. Include brief instructions, the tools used, and any deadlines or owners. For instance, on edit video, note the tool you'll use, and tasks like adding captions and transitions. These notes reduce questions and speed up handoffs. Use color coding to make status or categories instantly readable. Green can mean completed, yellow in progress, and red needs attention. Or categorize by phase, like blue for planning, purple for production, and orange for publishing. To choose one system and stick to it for clarity. If you're working with a team, assign tasks by adding names, comments, or tags on the relevant steps. This is especially helpful for assistants or agency collaborators who need to know exactly what to do next. Centralize assets by attaching files and links directly to the board. Add documents, drive links, and references to keep everything in one place. Before you call it done, walk through the workflow step by step. Remove anything unnecessary and simplify where possible. A strong workflow is simple, repeatable, and easy to follow. Finally, save your finished board as a template by duplicating it. Reuse it for future projects to save time and keep your process consistent.